In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to open and create a new workbook in Microsoft Excel. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open Microsoft Excel on your computer. You can do this the same way you normally open any application, whether that's from your desktop, your Start menu, your Applications folder, or a shortcut you already have available. Once Excel launches, give it a moment to load fully so you can see the main Start screen. When Excel opens, you'll usually arrive at the Home screen. This is the area where Excel shows you different starting options, including templates and recently opened files. If your goal is to begin with a fresh spreadsheet, look for the option labeled Blank Workbook. This is the standard choice when you want to create a completely new Excel file from scratch without using a pre-made template. Go ahead and click Blank Workbook. As soon as you do, Excel will open a brand new workbook for you. This workbook is essentially a new spreadsheet file, and it's where you can begin entering your own information right away. You'll see the familiar Excel grid made up of rows and columns, which are used to organize data neatly and efficiently. At this point, your new workbook is open and ready to use. You can click into any cell and start typing numbers, text, headings, or formulas, depending on what you need. If you're new to Excel, a helpful tip is to start by entering simple labels in the top row, such as names or categories, so your sheet stays organized from the beginning. Creating a blank workbook is often the best way to learn Excel because it gives you a clean workspace with no extra formatting to distract you. One thing to keep in mind is that opening a new workbook does not automatically save it. After you begin adding your data, make sure to save your file so you don't lose your work. You can choose a file name and save it to a location that's easy to find later, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully opened Microsoft Excel, selected Blank Workbook from the home screen, and created a new workbook that's ready for data entry. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.